Hello, kindergarten. We are talking this week in our reading stories about how people and animals communicate. We read about Amelia's show and tell the other day and some of the trouble she had communicating and understanding what people were telling her because she spoke a different language. Yesterday we read kind of a fun story about how the animals at Farmer Brown's farm communicated, their different animal noises. And today we're going to read Mice Squeak, We Speak, and talk about how different animals in this story communicate. I also want you to pay attention to the characters in this story. Who are the different people and animals in this story? Because you're going to choose your favorite character on your workbook page today. All right, so be thinking about that while we read. Mice squeak, we speak. Cats purr. Lions roar. Owls hoot. Bears snore. Crickets creak. Mice squeak. Sheep baa. But I speak. Monkeys chatter. Cows moo. Ducks quack. Doves coo. Pigs squeal. Horses neigh. Chickens cluck. But I say. Flies hum. Dogs growl. Bats screech. Coyotes howl. Frogs croak. Parrots squawk. Bees buzz. But I talk. All right, so those were all the different animal sounds. There were several characters in our story, several different animals, cows and parrots and mice and cats, all sorts of different animals. I want you to get your workbook page out of your packet that looks like this. It says Lesson 7 at the top. It's got a little mouse and two boxes. We're going to use these boxes to draw and think about those characters in the story and how they communicated. All right, so here's what you're going to do. You can use your pencil for this, or you can use your crayons. It's up to you. Or if you want to draw it with your pencil and then go back and color, that's okay too. In this first box, I want you to think about the story we just read, and I want you to draw a picture of your favorite animal character from that story, Mice Squeak, We Speak. So think about it for just a minute and choose your favorite animal character we just read about and draw their picture in this box. And then in the second box, I want you to draw a picture to show how you think that animal feels when it makes its sound. We heard all the different sounds those animals make. So how do you think that animal is feeling when they make their sound? Is it a happy sound or a sad sound? Is it a scared sound or a mad sound? So draw another picture of your character and somehow in that picture show me how you think that animal feels when they make their sound. I can't wait to see your pictures.